Hi, my name is Fred Haney, and again, thank you for taking a few moments to check out the pathways here at NCCA. Another pathway that I teach is the manufacturing pathway. It is an opportunity in this course to be able to do dual enrollment, where you work closely with the GPTC community college here as we do a class that is high school students, but at the same time you're dual enrolled at the Georgia Piedmont Technical College. It is an opportunity to get credits in both areas. In this, we deal a lot with electricity, AC and DC. We deal with machines, how to use them, how to repair them. So what it does is it teaches us about the manufacturing that is in our community. Newton County, along with Covington, has manufacturing plants spread all throughout. Some of those have international footprints, so that is something we want our students to be able to do, is understand is what is offered here locally and within our state, United States, and globally. So the opportunity is fantastic. We teach them what engineers do in these plants and also how to become a mechanical technician within one of these plants. So it is one that is heavy hands-on. It is also being able to teach them about the world of manufacturing and the strength that we have here in the United States with it. Again, thank you for taking the time to check this course out.